This is the GoPro Floaty. This actually works for the GoPro 9, 10 and the 11, which I have. Seems like this is one of those boxes that you just have to rip open. Always feel bad ripping them open, you know. Lifetime warranty, that's what it says. And then this is the floaty. Really nice, sturdy. It's not like hard plastic. As you see, I can like push it in a little bit. And if you're gonna grab our GoPro, this is the 11. I do have to say, it takes a while to get it in. Oh, took me a bit, but it's in now. And we can see that you can see the screen from the Hero 11. You can see the lens pretty clearly. You have the button to record up here. You even have the attachment points for your tripod or for your selfie stick here. And the power button is still accessible as well. And this is gonna float in the water, so if you're gonna surf or something like that and you drop your camera, it won't go to the bottom of the sea, which is gonna be really annoying. So at least it will float now, because, well, the floaty.